Hi friends, welcome to the CNR education channel. This is Nagesh. I have completed my MA English in SV University. So as I learned my subject, the learned subject I am going to teach actually in this channel. Just focus actually on my teaching what I am going to teach. So as I expressed actually so about British English and American English actually, and difference between American English and also British English language actually I have explained. Today I am going to discuss about grammar. So and also everyone gets actually. So if I write or if anyone asks any questions, that is actually if anyone explains some about somewhat actually about something, definitely you will get a question that is actually what is. So in this video also, so the sentence, the word which I have written actually, so below English language, that is a grammar. You may get doubt, that is actually what type of doubt it is. So grammar is nothing but what is grammar. So everyone gets a question, that is a what is a grammar actually. So actually see, so for that question I am going to give answer simply, and also I have written so on this board. So see, by reading I am going to read this I'm going to read these sentences actually. So by reading, at the time of reading also I'm going to explain you that actually each and every point, each and every word also in English language. See here, what is a grammar? So as you got doubt actually, so what is a grammar? See here, grammar is a system of language. Grammar is a system of language. The people sometimes describe grammar as the rules of a language. Everyone knows that is actually grammar is nothing but a system of a language only, isn't it actually? Whatever we take any kind of language, see, definitely there will be a grammar actually. There is a grammar also in each language. So I don't know some of the language actually, so still now there is no scripting also, how to write also, there is no actually, some of the people do not know how to write also in some language, but actually, so we know that actually some of the language we know well actually there is a scripting also, nothing but actually writing and speaking also. See, in English language we have a grammar and also spoken language. Today I am going to teach you about grammar, nothing but actually what is a grammar. See here, as I told you that actually grammar is a system of language. Everyone knows, people sometimes describe grammar as the rules of the language. You may think that actually, so some people used to say that actually, so there are a lot of rules are there in a grammar, so it's a difficult to learn English language. That's why, so no need to learn English language, no need to learn lot of rules also. See, the rules are nothing but there is no actually, just we call it as a rule only. There is no word in English language rule is nothing but actually to give somebody suggestions only. So that is here actually, rule is nothing but giving suggestions to somebody. So as I wrote on the board, see here actually, but in fact no language has rule, isn't it? There is no rule at all actually, just we have created rules for giving suggestions to someone. So that's just only for making you clear that actually there is no rule at all in English language. Not only in English but also in any language also there is no rule at all, because actually we have created the word, we have named giving suggestions actually to someone, giving suggestion to someone, we call it as a rule. That is so as the rules of language, but in fact no language has rules. See, look at here actually. So next sentence I have written here, that is if we use the word rules, we suggest to the somebody, isn't it actually? When we are going to give some suggestions to somebody, definitely can think that actually our opposite listener is going to think that actually he is saying some of the rules in English language. See, there is no rule at all, but giving suggestion is nothing but actually it's kind of a rule only, isn't it? So giving suggestion is nothing but some kind of rule only. So that's just only the some of the experts have created the word rule, isn't it? See here, that is if we use the word rules, we suggest rules is nothing but actually we suggest to the somebody to give him suggestions only, See here actually, created the rules first and then spoken language like a new game. See here, one of expert actually so said that actually created the rules first and then spoken language like a new game. Expert said here actually, so creating rules is nothing but it's like a spoken language. First actually it's created the rules first and then spoken language like a new game. Creating rules and spoken language, it's a kind of actually game. Expert said that it's the creating rules and spoken language, it's like a game. See here. So and also but language did not start like a that. Language did not start like that here actually. Like a new game. See here. But language did not start like that. Language started by people making sounds which involved into words and phrases and sentences. No commonly spoken language is fixed. All language change over time, what we call grammar. So grammar is a reflection of a language only. Grammar is a reflection of language only. Why we are learning grammar here actually for writing sentence formation, for speaking English language also. There is a big reason actually. There is a big reason in it. What is the reason? You may think that actually. So what is the reason? He is saying reason. What is the reason that is actually? Reason is nothing but so for learning easily, once upon a time actually our British people so introduced English grammar. Nothing but actually it's a basic grammar of learning English language. They introduced for making easy everything actually at a time. So that's why they introduced the English grammar, that is actually for learning spoken language. So in the past our people actually who are living in India, they did not know English language once. For learning actually for our Indian people, so Britishers introduced so English language, that is actually first they introduced the grammar. So after that actually meanwhile they started education completely in English language. So at the time of introducing English language, the first they have introduced grammar. So grammar is nothing but actually system of language. People sometimes describe as the rules of a language. Actually there is no rules at all in any language, just people created only rules for learning easily. So how many rules are there actually? If someone says that how many rules are there actually, yeah, there are number of rules, nothing but about 200, 300, 400 rules are there. So by knowing actually numbering, so we can think that it is very easy to learn, because actually there are less rules are there. If we complete learning those rules, definitely we will learn so something, nothing but actually we will achieve language. So like that actually people used to think that's why so Britishers introduced the so language. See here. Yeah, as I told you that actually. So what I'm going, yeah. So because of getting difficulty in learning English language, Britishers introduced. Nowadays actually to learn English language it's a little bit difficult. So because see, if you want to learn any language, you have to be either in that environment or you have to create an environment. Is nothing but if one person is changing himself actually, there is a so based on environment actually person is changing. If environment is good, person attitude also is good. That's why in order to learn English language we need environment. So nowadays actually so there is no environment in our country, because see here in our country there are a lot of languages actually. So it's difficult to learn English language nowadays, because the most of the people, especially in the local and also remote areas actually they use their native words, their native language. That's why little bit it became actually difficult to learn English language. So we no need to go foreign also to learn English language, isn't it? Because actually it is too tough to go. It is too tough to go London and also America also, nothing but England. London is nothing but England actually. London is the capital of England. So it is too difficult to go England and also America. So we need a lot of money. No need to go anywhere actually. No need to go anywhere for learning English language. Just only we have to know so some of the rules in English language. Nothing but actually we have to know some of the so things that are very easy, make us that are very easy and also that make us to learn English language. Nothing but actually those tips I am going to give, nothing but actually those rules I am going to reveal in this channel. Don't worry about that learning English language completely. So in this video, so I am going to provide, no need to worry about that. See, you learned today what is the grammar. Grammar is nothing but actually system of language, and system of language people sometimes describe as the rules of a language. So and also so that is actually friends, in fact no language has rules actually. No need to worry about rules. Let it be, let the rules go into the well also, no need to worry about that actually. See, I'm going to teach you, don't worry about that English language. See, today you have to focus actually what is the grammar and how grammar came actually in the language. Each and every language also there is a grammar. So don't need to worry actually, no need to learn a deep grammar also in English language. Just only basic grammar is enough to learn actually. Nothing but actually if you know the how to frame sentence formations, that's enough. Because actually writing sentence formation is also important for us. Important for us because actually you know that nowadays actually world is moving on English language. So world is moving on English. If you are not moving on English actually, so it will be ashameable to us. That's why we have to learn sentence formation also. Along with the sentence formation, we have to know speaking. If you know how to write sentence formation, automatically you are going to speak English also. There is no doubt at all. Damn sure you are going to speak English if you learn sentence formation. For that, I am going to teach in this channel, in this ANR education channel. Don't worry about that actually. Definitely completely education I'm going to give you. So because actually I'm here my dear, don't worry. Nothing but actually everyone has a fear. No need to worry, I am here. Definitely I'm going to tell each and everything, each and every step. So in English language what I learned completely I'm going to teach. This is the friend today we have actually discussed the grammar. So in next videos I'm going to start teaching grammar. Thank you friends. See here friends, if you want to get the updation of my videos, please subscribe my channel. And also soon I'm going to teach actually grammar also. If you interested to learn something from me, nothing but from my channel, so that I teach actually grammar, it is a very important sometimes actually. So if you want to share my videos also to others, you can share. So there is no doubt at all, they are also going to learn something from watching my videos. Okay friends, thank you, bye bye.